it will show very bad and you will not get the finishing that you need.
This is the 8th vehicle that has been under Ankit's care.
Definitely shows that the car was just polished. The client was told they've done ceramic coating on the car, but nothing was absolutely done.
If you look at the car visibly, if you go around it, you won't find any visible joints.
Welcome back to Crank It Automotive. Today we have with us the BMW M340i, and this car is honestly one of my favorites that I've worked on in the past couple of weeks. We got the 330 Li before this, but this car is special, and all of you M fans out there know why this is special, because the exhaust, the performance package, and just the overall appeal the M has. The Li also has a nice executive appeal, but the M appeals to all those people out there who love that feeling of sports, and that pretty much flows into the cabin as well. You've got minor changes in the cabin, the steering wheel, and on the exterior, the black alloy wheels with the big calipers in the red shade look really, really nice. But we're not here to talk about the car. We're here to talk about what we're going to be doing on the car. So now, if you finally bought your expensive car, you need to definitely protect it. The showroom had said that they had done some particular coating on it, but absolutely nothing was done on the car. It was literally polished and given to the client. How do we know that? Because we found polish marks which are left all over the car, in all the crevices around the headlight, in the bumpers, around the bonnet lines, and that definitely shows that the car was just polished. The client was told they've done ceramic coating on the car, but nothing was absolutely done. So the client said, you know what, let's just get a PPF done on the paint, because he wanted to preserve this particular paint for at least 8 years to come. So if there are any minor scratches, that would pretty much come onto the PPF, because repainting the entire car would be a very expensive proposition. So we're going to be installing a PPF with an 8-year warranty on this particular car, so that if there are any bubbles or scratch marks on it, that'll be taken care of in warranty. And God forbid, if you have an accident that is light in nature, we just need to change that particular section. We won't need to change all the PPF all over the car. So anyways, the first step that we're going to be doing is a nice decontamination wash to pretty much clean out the entire car. All the crevices need to be clean, and that will ensure that when we're doing the PPF, nothing pretty much comes under the sheet, so that when the sheet is put, you can't really make out that it has been installed onto the car. So let's move to the first stage, which is a good, nice decontamination and cleaning wash of this car. Now the next stage that we do is the paint correction, and we identify that after the wash where all the scratches are on the paint. And like we told you, even if the car comes in to the showroom, there are still a lot of scratches that do get identified, which we provide in the PDI service. फाइम बताओ लोगों को, PDI में क्या क्या होता है जब तू शोरूम जाता है?
शोरूम जाते हैं, वहाँ पे गाड़ी स्टॉक यार्ड पे रहता है। स्टॉक यार्ड पे हम लोग जाके चेक करते हैं गाड़ी को। चेक करने में स्क्रैच वगैरह जो भी रहता है, वहाँ पे जो मैनेजर या एडवाइजर रहता है उनको दिखाना पड़ता है। हाँ, दिखाया तो अगर पेंट करेक्शन करके शोरूम पे दिया तो ठीक है, नहीं दिया तो कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग आने के बाद गाड़ी में पेंट करेक्शन करते हैं। बस ये होता है PDI।
बट होते हैं, लोगों को लगता है नई गाड़ी पे स्क्रैचेस नहीं होते।
स्क्रैच रहता ही है,
बिकॉज गाड़ी फैक्ट्री से बन के शोरूम
स्टॉक यार्ड पे आती है ना।
हाँ, तो क्लाइंट के पास डायरेक्टली नहीं जाती, तो कुछ लोगों को डाउट होता है कि स्क्रैचेस नहीं होते नई गाड़ी पे।
करना चाहिए लोगों को।
So always ensure that that is done. Now after we identify कहाँ का scratches है, then we will end up doing the paint correction, whether it needs to be done in a 2-step process or 1-step process. That is decided based upon how many scratches are there on the car, and then we tackle that before we put on the PPF, and this is important because once the PPF goes onto the entire car, then you cannot remove the scratches. So it becomes very important to tackle all the scratches and remove them in this particular process, which is the paint correction process, like the name says. So let's move into that. Now one of the next stages that we're doing is the PPF application onto the car, and as you can see, we're doing it in an enclosed environment. Now this is a very important process and it needs to be done in the proper environment, which is a booth. Why do we say that? Because there shouldn't be any contamination that pretty much comes onto the car while you're doing this process, because agar dust shoot gaya under PPF, it will show very bad and you will not get the finishing that you need. And when you put PPF on a car, we always go for a finish where you can't even make out that there is PPF on the car. So cutting will be behind the panels and the application will be without any contamination under it, so you would not be able to make out that there is any PPF on the car. Now as you can see, we've not really opened up everything. People have a big fear that, oh my god, my whole car is going to open up, but that is not the case. We don't open up everything on the car. Let's show you what all has been opened on this car. So we start from the rear. As you can see, we've just pretty much taken off the number plate, which is on screws, so you don't need to open up anything for that. The screws come out and the number plate just pretty much comes out. Now on this side, nothing has been removed, as you can see. Now on the top, we have just pretty much, as you can come closer, you'll be able to see that these roof rails have been removed so that we can tuck in the PPF on the side, and these roof rails are all pretty much just in joints, so this pretty much comes out easily. Now one of the other things we removed is the last part of the window seal, which is just plastic. As you can see, they have plastic nuts on it which have been removed with plastic applies, which comes out pretty much easily. There is no scratch on this. The door beading has also been removed, which is the window weather lining, so that the PPF can go and get cut off under it, and the beading sits on top, so you won't be able to see any cuts on this. Why we're telling you this is so that you have knowledge that we don't excessively go into opening up the entire car. We only open the parts that are important to tuck in the PPF, and we haven't pretty much done anything else. We've removed the handle here, as you can see. Now that is just to ensure that a single sheet sits on the entire door, not that we cut around the handle, because that could lead to a lot of dust accumulation where the cut has been made. Hence, we just remove the handle, put one sheet and then put the handle back on, so that there is no accumulation or there's no cut marks anywhere on the car. So anyways, let's move to the next stage, which is the PPF application. So we're finally done with the PPF application on the entire car. हमने आपको दिखा दिया PPF application कैसे होता है. Now we're going to show you PPF एक बार अप्लाई होता है गाड़ी पे. अगर आप पास आके देखोगे, PPF की कटिंग कभी भी बॉडी लाइन पे नहीं होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर आपने बॉडी लाइन पे कटिंग कर दी तो डस्ट और पानी एक्यूमुलेट होगा अलॉन्ग दी एज. हम जो कटिंग करते हैं हम फोल्ड के अंदर करते हैं. इस चीज़ का देयर टू पर्पसेस, ताकि डस्ट एंड वाटर एक्यूमुलेशन ना हो, वरना उससे PPF बाद में खुल सकता है और आपको बबल्स भी आ सकते हैं इन द पेंट. सेकेंडली, द लुक ऑफ द कार. अगर हमने कटिंग अलॉन्ग द बॉडी लाइन कर दिया तो जो लुक है गाड़ी की वो ख़राब हो जाएगी, और आपको अगर लाइंस और कट्स पूरी गाड़ी पे आपको नज़र आएंगे, दैट विल लुक रियली बैड. नाउ लेट्स शो यू जो लोग बोलते हैं PPF अच्छे से नहीं लगता है, मिरर का आप शेप देख सकते हो, इट्स गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ शार्प लाइंस, बट इस पे PPF लगा हुआ है एंड यू विल नॉट सी एनी बबल्स एनीवेयर ऑन द इंटायर मिरर। इसका एक टेक्निक होता है PPF लगाने के बाद ताकि कोई बबल्स ना आए, वो ऑब्वियसली हम रिवील नहीं करेंगे, बट देयर इज अ टेक्निक टू पुट इट ऑन दिस विदाउट गेटिंग एनी बबल्स। नाउ दरवाजे पे अगर आप देखोगे तो विंडो जो स्ट्रिप है उसके नीचे हमने उसकी टकिंग कर दी है। लाइन आपको कहीं पे विजिबल यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, तो कोई पानी या डस्ट बैठने का चांस नहीं है, वहाँ से भी नहीं खुलेगा। एंड अराउंड द हैंडल भी अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे भी कोई कट नहीं है। सो देयर इज़ नो रीज़न वाई देयर वुड बी वाटर एंटरिंग दिस फ्रॉम द डोर बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो कट ऑन इट। सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कहीं कट्स एक्सपोज ना रखें ताकि बाद में PPF नहीं खुलेगा। नाउ इफ़ यू कम अलॉन्ग द रियर एज वेल, you can see the whole car along all the edges. There is absolutely no cut here. The bumper starts from here along the bumper. You can't see any cutting which is done outside on the fender or on the bumper. Zero cuts. The PPF has been tucked in. And if you come towards the rear where the spoiler is there, we didn't take out the spoiler because the client didn't want this to be removed. Here also you'll not be able to see any cuts on the body. It's a clean finishing and that is what looks really really nice. So if you have got PPF done on your car and no one says कि अच्छा इसमें PPF लगा हुआ है, that means it's a job well done because you can't make out that there is any PPF on the car. So whenever you're getting PPF in your car, ensure that it's tucked in properly. There are no cuts which are left exposed because that will look bad and it'll end up opening up the PPF with time to come. So anyways, we're done with our job. Now we'll have to see what the client has to say about his brand new BMW, which like he said in the video call that we had done, looks a lot better than when he got delivery from BMW. So let's cut to client.
Hi, so we're back at Crank It again, and this is the 8th vehicle that has been under Ankit's care. So this is our latest acquisition. As you can see, I mean the car is just stunning. There is nothing to say. So the reason we got this car is obviously because my husband loves driving. And the color just got us, the lovely Arctic blue. So when we went to the showroom and bought the car, I don't think it was as shiny as it is now. So when our cars come here, there is a coating that's put on the car, after which the PPF is put on it. If you look at the car visibly, if you go around it, you won't find any visible joints. So it's just seamless. And the gloss is a different thing altogether. I mean, this car really shines, it sparkles. And when you take it out on the road, it still maintains that. Also, I think the quality of work that is done at Crank It is just, it's superior. And that is the only reason why all our cars and bikes, the minute they are purchased, the next day, they come to Ankit's. He takes great care of the vehicles. The professionalism and the the skill involved in getting the car to where it was is just phenomenal. I mean, I'm short of words actually because it just looks absolutely stunning. So thank you very very much for this. Thank you.
Yes, and to second that, if you ever need your cars to be or bikes to be protected, come to Crank It. You'll surely not be left disappointed. It's a very good place. Thank you.